Okay, welcome to Pocono Weather 360. Don't be surprised by that name. It does cover the whole state. So here's what's going on today around noontime. Um, we have a low pressure system located down here um, that is going to work its way off the coast. Um, the reasoning for the changeover down here is just the positioning at this time, and it's bringing up warmer air off the ocean. It's very warm out here, and it's bringing that warmer air in, and that creates the changeover. Then, as this thing moves off, this takes you to about 1 o'clock in the morning tonight, and it's off the coast here. And again, this will push in uh, more snow to the north and snow back down through here. But the temperatures have already warmed enough down here that it's going to make it hard in New Jersey and southeastern PA to switch back over. But as this thing moves off the coast, gets to an area like that, which is about 7 o'clock in the morning, um, colder air will circulate back in because it's a counterclockwise again off of a low pressure system. So it will bring down colder air from the north, and any place that had mix will change over during the morning hours. And again, there'll be a period in eastern PA where this snow continues lightly, but will continue during the morning hours tomorrow. So don't be surprised by that second set of snow that comes down. And then off the lakes off here, let's not forget, squalls will be coming off the lakes. Yeah, this is kind of what we've got going on. It's snowing down here in Berks County. I'm sure it's working its way north. You can see that there is southern parts of the state see some freezing. It kind of comes up. It's going to get into Wyoming Valley, so many of those heavy 6 to 10 inch totals probably not going to happen in the valley itself. Higher up out of the valley, yeah, it'll snow. And as you can see, heavier snows are up here in Jersey, up in the Poconos here. This is around midnight tonight. It's coming down pretty good, so limit your driving out there. Some of the lower elevations of the Poconos could see some freezing precipitation mixed in. If you're up towards Mount Pocono, Tobyhanna that way, you can see some very heavy snow totals up there, approaching a foot or so. This is around 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see it's beginning to back off in here in Western PA, but you're going to see that backlash, a little bit of the snow. Let's see if I can make this work here. Um, you're going to see this go by, and then you can see it start to fill back in around 7 o'clock in the morning, then switch back over to snow. This is around 11 o'clock in the morning in eastern PA, even down towards Philadelphia. This is where you have your opportunity for snow tomorrow. This is around noontime. Yeah, this is around noontime, and it's still light snow, some moderate snow mixed in. These are the bands that come around after the storm goes by with the cold air, and then this takes you to around 2 in the afternoon, and now it's beginning to pull around. Let's see, this is around 3 in the afternoon, 4, 5, and you can still see northern New Jersey has a couple of heavier areas here around 4 o'clock, and then that goes by, and then you just have the squalls off the lakes up here as you get into the evening hours. Again, this is a pretty good proximity of the snow. Again, the higher elevations, North Jersey, Poconos, southern Poconos especially, get slammed pretty good. Areas like Stroudsburg, a little lower, and I know the Stroudsburg area that, man, it could snow 10 miles away, a foot of snow, which is the case here, especially towards Mount Pocono. And yet in Stroudsburg, you get like maybe half because you're lower in the area, so you have a chance for that mix to happen sooner than other areas. So maybe 6 inches or 7, 8 inches in that area. But as you can see, here's the valley going through here. Again, your totals 3 to 5, maybe 6 at tops in some areas of the valley. Depends on temperatures again. And then outside the valley, then the snow picks up. Same thing out down here. You're talking, and this blue area is basically 2 to 4 inches, 5 inches at tops in these areas up here. It's saying Allentown basically gets 6, 7, 8 inches of snow. and the suburbs can get a little bit more as you head towards the mountains. We'll have to see because that's a degree or two difference there makes a big difference. And I'm not sure if you're going to get that degree to the plus or the degree to the negative, and it's going to mean a big deal in that area there, whether you get that much snow or not. And as you can see, central Pennsylvania, basically 6 to 8 inches. Some of the higher peaks can get more than that. And then out here in western PA, again, 1 to 3 inches. Maybe some areas get a little bit more. Okay, this is a different video than you get at on your Facebook page, so you can see the difference. Okay, take it easy. Again, you can check out the simulated radars. You can look at that and see other information that I've thrown on there for driving and things like that. All right, everybody be safe. Take care.